3 tools. That is all you really need in order to create great content that can show you off as the expert you are so that you can help your potential clients. And today we're going to cover exactly what tools you need, how to use them, and how to maximize your time so that you don't get sucked into tech land. I'm Ari, creator of Biz Yogi, your coach for digital marketing strategies, business growth. That all feels good in your heart. So, 3 tools. Number 1 tool that I love is my iPhone. And you're like, what? Really? Absolutely. So within my iPhone, I have apps, I have a camera, and I have a voice recorder. This alone can make me mobile and make my life super easy. I don't have to be sitting in front of a computer. If I have a great idea, which I know you as my conscious creative entrepreneur, you have ideas all the time, you can whip out your phone. So here's how to use your iPhone to maximize your creativity. I just said the voice note. So the voice note I use anytime I have thoughts that I haven't had a chance to write down or that I don't feel like jotting down. I literally grab out my voice note and I record exactly what it is. If I had a download during a meditation or if it was a conversation that sparked an idea. Second way I use my voice recorder is when I do a lot of video, especially with my professional camera, I record my audio always on my voice note because then I can repurpose it. This is part of my asana sequencing method that helps to use one piece of content and turn it into many things. So now I have this voice note that I can use as a podcast. I can upload to SoundCloud. I can, if I was teaching a meditation, I can also put it as an audio file versus a video because not everybody needs to look at you meditating, right? Okay, so that's how I use the voice note. 2, apps. I'm gonna tell you my top 3 apps that I love to use on my phone. One of them is InShot. So InShot, I get to edit video and it makes it so easy. Not only is it quick, but they have really cool tools, they have stickers, they have music, and I highly, highly suggest that you learn InShot if you are in the business of content creation. Again, show up as the expert you are. The InShot app, I believe you have to pay for, but it's well worth the investment, and you don't have to be a video editor to learn how to use InShot. So go grab that app right now. Another app I love on my phone is my scheduling app for social media. So I use Later. I've been using Later for a long time. I talk about Later in my social media toolkit course that you can go check out on my website. But I love to pre-schedule things so I don't feel like I'm constantly like on the hustle of social media, Instagram. And if you use the paid aspect of Later, which you don't have to, but if you do, you can post on at least 3 different channels. So Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. So that's very useful. Not only that, but you can do videos and images. Okay, the next app I love on my phone are my graphic apps. I actually don't love to use Canva on my phone, but if I need to, I use it. There's a bunch of other great apps to help you make your post look cool, like graphic design style, and I'll list those in the comments below. And finally, I love my iPhone because I can take pictures and shoot really high quality video whenever I need it. As long as I have good lighting, as long as I have my little mic, then I know that I have a portable mobile studio. Now, if you also have a little ring light, I've bought one that has a clip, and I'll put the link on the descriptions below. I have a couple different ring lights that are portable that you don't need to like plug into a wall, so it makes it super easy. All right, so that was one tool, right? I said my iPhone. Tool number 2 to help you create a beautiful business that is based on sharing your wisdom, your content, is going to be the planning tool. Now, I know this might not be an app or anything like this, but I'm gonna talk to you about this strategy that comes with tools, okay? So I always have to think, what am I doing? So everything I just told you about having the tool of the iPhone has to be matched with, what am I doing? What is my plan this month? What is my plan this quarter? What are my goals? Once we've established that, then guess what? With this plan, you figure out, okay, do I need a funnel? Do I need to create a ton of videos for the sales process? Am I doing a webinar? So the one software that I love to use that kind of solves all these problems in terms of, well, do I need a funnel? Do I need a opt-in page? Do I need an email sequence? Do I need SMS texting? It's called Elevated Marketing Now. And again, you can check out the link down in the comments below. I give you, I think, a 2 free week trial, and then you can choose your plan, because this is an all-in-one solution. You have your CRM, which is your customer retention management. You have your email automations, funnels, website, landing pages, texting. It helps you see your business from a dashboard. You can even do reports on ads that you're running, reviews for Google and Facebook, all in one place. So I love, love, love this, because when I have my plan, I strategize on it, and then I have this magical tool that paired along with my iPhone with all the really cool apps, and it makes my business so easy to be fulfilled, to be seen, to be heard, and to be organized. And finally, the last tool, which is a ethereal tool, less of a physical tool, because I already went through software, I went through apps. This is your brain. And I want you to tap into the power of your brain and the power of your confidence to be able to take all these things, not only as concepts or as knowledge, but you want to implement them, because knowledge alone means nothing without actually doing. Having a ton of things that you read or videos that you watched will do nothing for your business without the action. So what I don't want you to do is say, oh, cool, look at this software that Ari said, or look at these apps, or let me get better at Canva, without having the plan and the action strategy and perhaps the accountability. I am a big fan of my proprietary 4A system. Yes, my name starts with A, but 4 A's. Assess, where are you at now? Be aligned to how you're working. What are your products? What are your offers? What are your pricings? What is your business model? Have action, daily action. Small, big will lead to your success, but also you need accountability. So allow yourself to have these really cool tools that I know everybody wants. We all want to learn social media. We all want to have better reels or like put out better content so that it's more engaging. And we all want to be able to have a funnel and have an email campaign or have an email list that is continuously growing. And none of it really matters if you're not feeling connected to yourself, aligned and ready to step into your greatness, owning your value and seeing how that value supports your potential and existing customers. And I'm always here to give you guys not only just useful tips, but also be your cheerleader in how you're growing your business and your life. So check out more videos, make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, and actually, if you could do me one favor, tell me what is the one thing that you are loving about your business and how it's working right now. I can't wait to see you on all the channels, and I'm Ari, always here to be your guide. Thank you.